Can I shoot out these side windows? I'm on top of the helicopter.
What?
He is literally on top of the helicopter.
I have 4 health.
Fuck.
Was it an EVR? Oh,
Yeah.
we're all about to get knocked out in this bitch.
Oh, I'm getting.
Oh,
What's happening right now?
you're about to get knocked the fuck out. It was like so
Oh, I'm falling. I'm okay though.
Click my mouse button once and it teleports me across the fucking.
Big bitch, it's hard to fly without third person, dude. Oh. Fuck.
Oh shit.
Bruh.